2 months ago, I turned on a machine. Simple as that. Since that moment, it has executed over 480 trades, it has returned over 140%, and on its single worst day, it still closed in profit. And the whole time, I didn't touch it once.
And let's be crystal clear about this number. This isn't some hypothetical backtest. We're talking about 60 days of live real money trading. The machine executed over 480 individual trades in that short window.
And I'm going to say that again because it's the most important part. Zero human intervention. I mean, literally, not once. No manual overrides, no, let me just tweak this. No waking up at 3 a.m. to stare at charts in a panic. The machine ran, I watched. That's it.
So what is this thing I built? Well, it's a fully automated algorithm that trades the foreign exchange market. We're not talking about crypto, we're not talking about stocks. We're talking about currencies, the largest, most liquid market on the planet. This system runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It finds the trades, it enters them, it manages them, it controls the risk, and it exits them, all by itself.
Now, here's what makes this system fundamentally different from almost everything else out there. It uses zero, and I mean zero, traditional indicators. No RSI, no MACD, none of that stuff. Instead, the entire system is built on a foundation of wave mathematics and probability theory. It's designed to read the market's own price structure, the natural rhythm of buying and selling, and it calculates probabilities based on that structure alone. You know, you can think of it less like a trading tool and more like a physics engine for currency markets.
I also want to mention an engineering decision I made from the start. I don't trade gold. XAU-USD has been on a tear lately, and yeah, the algorithm probably would have made a lot of money on it. But I deliberately chose to stay out. Why? Because that kind of volatility is a threat to capital. My number one priority is preserving your capital, not chasing insane, risky gains. That's a conscious choice.
So, why should any of this actually matter to you? Well, here's the reality most of us don't really want to think about. If you have money sitting in a bank account right now, you are actively losing purchasing power. Inflation is just eating it away day after day. Think about it. Your bank might give you what, 3% a year? Maybe 5% if you're lucky and you lock it up. So you look to the stock market. The S&P 500 is great. It returns about 10% a year, on average, per year. Then you've got the top-tier hedge funds. They're shooting for 15 to 20% a year, and they're going to charge you an arm and a leg just for the privilege.
So you start looking at other options. Crypto? I mean, come on, we all know the volatility is just insane, and trying to time that market is pretty much just gambling. And real estate. It's a fantastic long-term investment for sure, but it takes a ton of upfront capital, your money is completely tied up, and let's be honest, being a landlord is a job, not passive income.
And that's when a lot of people stumble upon this idea of copy trading. The concept is actually brilliant. You just connect your own brokerage account to a master strategy, and whenever that strategy makes a trade, your account automatically copies it. Sounds perfect, right?
Well, here's the dirty secret of that world. The problem is that 90% of the accounts you can copy, they blow up. They're gone within 6 months. The platforms are filled with guys who just crank the risk to the absolute max, get on the leaderboard for a few weeks, attract a bunch of followers, and then, poof, they implode. So today, I want to show you what happens when the thing you're copying isn't a person with a gut feeling, but a machine that was engineered for risk management from day one.
All right, let's get into the specifics, because vague claims are worthless. These are the hard numbers. They're not from me. They are independently verified by the broker. This is from my flagship aggressive account, which I call Max.
The first number, and maybe the most important, is the profit factor. It's 4.25. So what does that mean? It's simple. For every single dollar the system has lost, it has made back $4.25.
Okay, let's run down the scorecard. Total return is over 140%. Trades taken, more than 480. The win rate is a solid 73%. The maximum drawdown, that's the biggest dip from a peak it's ever taken, was 11.73%. The best winning streak was 28 trades in a row. And here's the one I care about most. The equity to balance ratio is 98%. That means almost all the profit is real, realized cash in the account. It's not just paper profit floating in open trades. It's locked in.
And this isn't a one-off. I also run a more conservative account called Junior. It's up over 55% with a lower risk profile. In total, I have 4 separate live accounts running this exact code. All 4 of them are profitable, and all 4 of them have been profitable since the day I turned them on.
Okay, so percentages are great, but let's translate this into what it could actually mean for your money. Now, I have to be extremely clear here. Past performance does not guarantee future results. I will never promise you anything else. But the math is the math, and you deserve to see it.
So let's just walk through this, using a conservative monthly return of about 7 to 8%. If you start with $1,000, after 3 months, you're looking at around $1,225. After 6 months, about $1,500. And after a full year, that's around $2,200. Now, what if you start with $5,000? Well, after 12 months, you're looking at about $11,000. And with $10,000, after 12 months, that could be around $22,000. So how do I get paid? It's simple, and it's a partnership. I charge a 30% performance fee, and that's only on the profit. That's it. There are no management fees, no subscription fees, no upfront costs. If the algorithm doesn't make you money in a given period, I don't get paid a single cent. It's that simple. My income is tied directly to your results.
So after that 30% fee, what's your actual net return? Well, based on that 7 to 8% monthly figure, you'd be looking at a net return of between 4.9 and 5.6%. And that's per month, not per year.
Now, I want to talk about the ugly side. Because if I only show you the good stuff, then I'm just another one of those guys on the leaderboard that I was talking about. Transparency is everything.
On March 2nd, the market went absolutely haywire, and the max account, intraday, hit a drawdown of negative 11.62%. Now, if you were watching that happen in real time, it would have been terrifying. Most human traders would have hit the panic button, closed everything out, and locked in a massive loss.
But the algorithm, it didn't flinch. You have to understand, it doesn't know what fear is. It just kept managing the positions according to its core mathematical rules. And by the end of that exact same trading day, the account closed at positive 3.14%, from negative 11 to positive 3 in a single session, with zero human intervention. That was the single hardest stress test this system has ever faced, and it passed. Not because of luck, but because the risk management is the trading logic.
So practically, how does this all work? Well, the system is available through a platform called CopyFX, which is part of forex. They're a regulated broker. They operate in over 169 countries. You open your own personal account with them. Your money stays in your account. I never, ever have access to your funds. The minimum to connect to the max strategy is $1,000. For the more conservative junior strategy, it's $500. You simply connect your account to the signal, and you can disconnect it anytime you want. You are always in full control.
Look, I've been doing this for over 20 years. For the first 10, I lost money. Badly. I tried every strategy, every indicator you can name. And then, about a decade ago, I realized the problem wasn't the strategy. The problem was me. It's human emotion getting in the way of a purely mathematical game. The only way to win consistently was to remove the human element entirely. So that's what I did. I built a machine that represents 20 years of lessons learned from failure. It doesn't feel fear, it doesn't feel greed, it doesn't feel hope. It just calculates and it executes.
The machine runs on Monday morning, whether you're connected to it or not. The math doesn't wait, it doesn't care about your hesitation or your timeline, it just runs. So the only real question is your money going to be working when it does? Or is it going to be sitting in a bank account, quietly losing value, while you think about it for another 6 months? I'm not asking you to believe me. I'm asking you to look at the verifiable data. All of it.